Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Danielle and I'm here to talk to you. So today I have been wanting to do this video. I'm going to be doing a Amazon skincare haul of all the products that I found that either I needed or I wanted or I thought were cute. So if you want to see the products I got in my Amazon bag, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay everybody, let's hop into the video. So I have my bag of Amazon goodies. So everything in this video today I ordered through Amazon. I will link all of the descriptions of the products, their prices. I'll list everything down below in my description box of this video. Amazon, you know, their prices can increase, they can decrease. So I'm just gonna link all the products under my affiliate section. So that pretty much means that if you guys like something in here and wanna check it out or wanna buy it, you can click on the link in my description and you can save a little bit of money, and then I get like a little bit of commission. So kind of works out for the both of us. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm super excited. I've been wanting some new skincare products, and so I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. The first thing I got is this is the Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So it looks like this. Sorry, the lighting is kind of weird in here, but it's cute little packaging. It says goodbye thirsty skin, hello hydration. It says this holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water, delivers long lasting moisture, AM PM. It's by Cosmetica Skincare. And this is, let's see, Cosmetica Skincare Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum for day and night, provides skin with the key benefits of hyaluronic acid, multi-beneficial hydrating properties, combat dryness to provide skin and glowing, rejuvenated, more youthful appearance. So it says the directions are after cleansing and toning, apply 1 to 2 drops onto face and neck. Use gentle patting motions to promote absorption. Let's go ahead and open it up. And I have not tried any of these products. This is the first time I'm opening everything that I got because I wanted it to be authentic and real for you guys. This is what the bottle looks like. It's pretty nice size. It is 2 ounces, so 60 milliliters. There is an expiration date on here. So this says January of 2022. So that's kind of nice to know. Let's see if I can open it up and then maybe smell it. I know you guys can't smell through the video, but I'm always like a smell type of person. If you guys hear anything in the background, I'm so sorry. We live in a really nice like HOA, and so there's guys out there like trimming and cutting the grass. So if you hear any like buzzing noises, that's what that is. So it comes in a little nice dropper. Oh. It has an interesting smell to it. I want to say it almost smells kind of like dog food. It has like an earthy smell to it. I'm excited to try this. So my skin, you know, it's kind of combination. It's not dry, it's not really oily. Sometimes it gets dry and sometimes it gets oily. It all just kind of depends on the products I'm using. But for the most part, I feel like I have pretty good skin. I occasionally, like today, I get some pimples. Okay, so that's number 1, and that was when I bought it, it was $15. So moving on to the next product. So I thought this was really interesting. So it comes like this, it's in a bag. It's Pistachio Lip Balm. And it actually came, so this is the lip balm. And it's called Pistachio Skincare. So Pistachio Oil Lip Balm. I thought that was really cool. I had never seen anything like this before. Oh, cute. So yeah, it's like a little lip balm. The packaging is pretty cute. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like a pistachio cookie. I'm already having trouble pushing it down when it goes kind of up and down, but for me it's not really going down. It feels nice. It doesn't feel sticky. I think this would be really hydrating. And it smells really good. It smells like a cookie. So this is made in California, which I think is great. I'm from California. It says it was made in Santa Monica, which is down south. Yeah, isn't that cute? The packaging, super cute. Let's see what the directions say. It doesn't have directions. I mean, it's just a lip balm, obviously. What I like to do with lip balm is I like to put it on at nighttime, and I feel like it really heals my lips overnight, especially because I wear a lot of matte lipstick. And just, you know, I have lip scrubs and such, but it doesn't always work for me. They always just kind of still feel dry and flaky. So I like to apply lip balm at night. So I'm definitely going to give this a try. So there's that. And then I didn't know it came with another product. So in the bag, it came with... What is this? This is Pistachio Skincare Pistachio Oil Body Butter. So that's cool that they gave me this. So that came with it. I had no idea. I just bought the lip balm, but it says massage pistachio body butter onto body after bathing or as needed. Obviously, it's a lotion. Let's see what it smells like. And it smells the same. This one actually smells more creamy. The lip balm smelled kind of like a cookie, like a pistachio cookie. But so these were the two products I got, and this was 12 bucks. So I thought that was pretty cool and different, and I think the packaging is super cute. My next product, let's see. Oh my gosh, I thought this was so cute. And I have to say, I'm a little disappointed in the size. When I saw the photos online, it looked a lot bigger. So this is the Taco Pore Blackhead Scrub Stick. And this is from Tony Moly, or Tony Moly. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I've always really liked this brand. I think it works really well for me. So when you go ahead and open it up, it's like a little... it's a little octopus, and when you open it, it's like, oh, okay. I don't know how that's very scrubby. It's like soft. And of course the directions are in Korean, because this is a Korean product. Scrub stick that effectively pulls out stubborn blackheads. I'm gonna have to give this one a try, definitely. I mean, the stick part feels very like soft, so I don't know how good of a scrub it's going to be. Maybe it turns into like a scrub. I'm not really sure, but to the touch, like right now, it just like, it feels kind of like a lip balm. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, so that little guy, so that was $12.50. Let's be honest, I bought it because I thought it was super cute. I really needed this, and this was what kind of started my whole Amazon skincare journey when I was ordering stuff. Is so I have a bunch of different masks, right? And my best friend bought me this really cool, it's called a mermaid mask from, I think it's called Leilani Skincare. And it's so hard to get out of the jar. So, and it's hard to kind of apply it because it gets so messy, and it's green, and green gets everywhere, but it's really cool because it smells like Skittles and seaweed. So I wanted to buy some brushes, like face mask brushes. So that's what I got. I got these silicone skin masks brushes. Let's open it up. It came in a pack of 2, and they were $3.98. So I thought that was pretty good. And these brushes had like pretty high reviews. And you can choose the color. So I got like a turquoise one, and you can see it's kind of like, it's a silicone material. And then you can use it to easily apply your face masks. And then I got the pink color. Pretty sturdy brushes. They're plastic, but they feel kind of heavy, which is nice. So I got these, and this is what started my Amazon skincare journey. And then I just found all these products afterwards, and I thought it was really fun. So there's those. They cost $3.98. So the next product, I have to say I've tried it before. I bought it and I already went through a whole thing. I have like a tiny bit left, so I wanted to order more. So if you guys haven't seen my VoxBox video, I'll link that above here. But so I am a part of Influencer. It's an app where they send you products to review. And there was one product that they wanted me to go out and purchase, and then they were going to reimburse me for it, and it was the new like Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water line. And so I went out and bought this product, and I have not been able to stop using it. This helps my skin so much. I cannot tell you, for my skin type, I love this. So this is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Foaming Gel Cleanser. It literally feels like water when it comes out when you go to wash your face, and it's really thin on your face, but it takes off all of my makeup, and I'm always so surprised when I use it, because I have tried so many cleansers and makeup removers, and I still get like raccoon eyes, you know, like some eyeshadows like this where it will stain and leave a stain on your eyes. This gets it off. I don't know how it does it. It's amazing. So if you guys haven't tried it, I highly recommend getting this. And this was $8. So I really like this. I saw this product and I thought it was really cute. So this is a soothing like eye stick. It's a hydrating eye stick, and it's by the brand, I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm sorry. It's called the Siam or the Same, S-A-E-M. And I thought the packaging was really cute. And this product was $8.99. So when you take it out, let's see. Super cute. It's like a little bear. And it's a hydrating eye stick. So it has a little protector on it. Take that off. So it kind of goes up and down. Ooh, and that smells really good. It smells like fresh and clean. So I'm going to be using this under my eyes after I wash my face. And I probably won't use this in the morning. I'll probably use this for nighttime. So again, this was, I think it's called the Same, Siam, whatever the brand is. I'll link everything below. This was $8.99. So the next product, I wanted to find another face wash just because I like trying new products, and I know I just bought the micellar water, but I like to also have a separate face wash for when I'm in the shower. I feel like it saves my products and makes them last longer because I use, you know, one in the morning when I wash my face, and then I use one in the shower, like say at nighttime or whatever, but it just kind of gives me a little bit of a break. Amazon had a face wash, and it kind of reminds me of the Clean and Clear. I think it's called like the Morning Burst or something, because it has those little gel scrubbers in there. And this is by Solimo, and this is the Morning Fresh Facial Cleanser with ginseng and vitamin C, formulated without parabens. And this was super cheap. This was $2.99. So I was like, oh my God, I have to buy this because it's so cheap, and I want to see how good of a job it does. So this was something I bought as well. The next product I bought, you know, I use hair ties when I wash my face and stuff, and I always see people that have really cute like headbands and whatnot. So I was like, what the hell? Like, I want a new like hair thing. So I bought a black cat headband, and it looked really cute online. They have all kinds of different characters, but I thought the black cat one was super cute. So it looks like this. It's a headband for when, you know, you want to wash your face and you want your hair out of your face. So this was $6. So $6. It's really cute. It's really soft. It's got the little ears, and then it has the stretchy elastic band in the back. So yeah, I just thought this was fun, and it was something that I wanted to try. But I think they had like dog ones. I think they had like just different colored ones. They had all kinds of kind of cute things. So this was something I picked up. And then the next product, so as I mentioned before about lip scrubs, I am a really big fan of the Moly brand, so I usually use their lip scrub. It's more like sandy, and it works really well for my skin, and it feels very like hydrating and moisturizing when I rub it all over my lips. But I ran out of that a while ago, and I've just been trying different stuff. I usually buy the Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip scrubs. Those are like, I love them, but they're kind of the grains are too big for me. I like more sandy feeling, you know, coarse stuff, so I can really get in there and scrub. So I found this. This is by Handmade Heroes. This is what the little box looks like. And this is called the Ultra Sexy Scrub. So it gently exfoliates with sugar and softens with jojoba and avocado oil, leaving your delicate lips with a smooth, irresistibly sexy pout. And this is cruelty and vegan free. That's what the front looks like. This was $8.99. When you take it out of the box, it looks like this. So this is a lip scrub. I like to use my lip scrubs in the shower, just so, you know, as I'm doing everything, it just gives me something to do too. And I bought this one because, like I said, it looked like it had more of like a sandy, grainy texture, and that's what I like. So, and then, let's see, when you open the cap, it says product care. This product is all natural and handcrafted with absolutely no preservatives. Please use with clean, dry fingers. Avoid water and moisture. Oh, interesting. Okay, so maybe I won't use this in the shower. Yeah, I'm excited to try this. I'm looking for a good lip scrub, so I'll let you guys know how this is. The last thing in my bag that I got, and again, it was something that I thought was really cute, and I just wanted to have it. This is like a cleansing brush. See, it's cute. And this is by Etude House. And when you open it, so it's like, where's his face? It's like this little octopus bear guy. It's squishy. It's like a silicone brush. So up here it has like the soft bristles that are short, and then down here it has like the bigger, scrubbier bristles. And then inside it has kind of like that water padding. So it's, you know, you use it to buff out your face with your face wash and all that good stuff. So I thought this was really cute, and I wanted to try this, and this was $5. Yeah, I think that's all I have in my bag. I hope you guys liked this Amazon haul. Let me know what products that you've tried off of Amazon and what you thought about them. If you've tried any of these products below, let me know. If there's anything that you think that I should try, please drop me a message below. I like to try new things and just see all the different products that are out there. I feel like there's so many different skincare products and, you know, fun little teaser things, and I'm totally into that too. I'm a sucker for like all these little cute things. So like I said, I will drop everything in my description box below. I hope you guys had fun. I had a lot of fun doing this video. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would really help me out and be a part of my little family. Give me a thumbs up and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my next videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.